going? I'm Luke from Beltways, a metal detectors company based in Perth, Western Australia. Today we're up at the Pilbara commissioning a new metal detector called the Barrier. Up until this morning, there was only one metal detector that I would recommend for customers who wanted effective metal detection capabilities in their plants, and that was a Thermo Fisher. I've used every other make and model available, and nothing that I would recommend to customers, especially iron ore, until this morning, until I commissioned the first Barrier. And I can happily say, after a long 2 years of searching, I finally found a metal detector that is as capable, and I'm going to say confidently better than the Thermo Fisher or Tronic. This morning with the testing we did with the test pieces, we were able to pick up very, very small bits of metal. The smallest bit we picked up was a 50 by 80 mil star picket section on iron ore. I've never seen any metal detector, especially the Thermo Fisher, be able to pick up something that small with iron ore. Generally with iron ore, you're looking for larger pieces anyway, because the downstream equipment can usually handle larger pieces going through. But having the ability to pick up small bits that usual plants like gold mines and rock quarries are more sensitive to smaller pieces, the Barrier metal detector is going to work fine, and it's going to give the operators a lot of confidence that if the Barrier says there's metal on the belt, there's metal on the belt. It's going to reduce downtime incredibly. These are all the pieces of metal that we threw on the belt and we were able to pick up with the Barrier metal detector. We're in a bit of a very good situation where we had this nice big magnet directly after the Barrier, which allowed us to throw bits of metal on without affecting production, which is always the number one priority. Is we've got to keep those tons rolling. And as you can see, there's some small parts up there, small pieces that you just don't pick up. Not that you want to pick up, but the capability to be able to pick them up is a very, very nice capability. After a new metal detector for your production, whether it be a rock quarry, coal, iron ore, copper, gold, any material in particular, this is the only metal detector in the world, I don't say that lightly, it's in the world, that will produce in all conditions, and very, very well in all conditions. If you have got some older units on site or a new project coming up, contact us. We can definitely help you out with your project and save you lots of downtime. Because this is what this unit's going to do. It's going to save downtime and give confidence to the operators to actually go digging for the metal, because if this thing says it's there, it's there. So contact us at beltwayersandmetal-detectors.com.au. More our details there, and we'll definitely find a way to help you out.